Today we're here to talk about one of our grant projects where we're installing over 8,500 smart automated reclosers on our system all the way across Suffolk County, Nassau County, and the Rockaways. In cases, there are times where we do have some temporary or small outages where it might just be a tree limb that contacts a wire. A temporary event happens on the line that causes it to trip, and then ultimately, if it's behind a fuse, that fuse opens up and disrupts power until we can actually get a crew out to the site to inspect. So if we have a trip breaker, or let's say a trip fuse in this case, right, it could take an hour or a couple hours to get a crew out there depending on what other outages are happening across the system. Customers that have these automatic recloser devices that are installed on their circuits will benefit in the fact that if there is this temporary outage, they will only lose power for maybe up to a minute or so while that temporary fault is cleared by this trip saver, versus a normal size fuse where that customer will have to wait for a crew to roll out to that site. Yeah, so by installing these devices, right, we now prevent having some unnecessary truck rolls, so those crews can be better prioritized to areas where there are significant outages or damages for them to restore power. So with this grant, with the 8,500 installed on this grant, plus the 1,500 that we installed prior to the grant back in 2024, we will have 10,000 of these automated reclosers installed at the end of 2026. These automatic recloser devices and trip savers help us continue to be the #1 reliable overhead service provider in New York State.